Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to speed up a clip in Premiere Pro. So there are actually two ways how to do this. So I will show you the longer one first and then the shorter one. So wait for the shorter one. The longer one is to click on your clip, and as you can see, this is my clip. So I will click on it, right click, and then go over to speed / duration. Click on that, and this is 100% speed. So we can basically change it to, let's say, 200%, which is 1 time faster. So you can see your clip is speeded up. You can speed it up even more, but the second way is even better. Just press R on your keyboard or click this rate stretch tool. Just make sure this rate stretch tool is selected, none of this other. Then go ahead and drag this corner of your clip, and right now with this tool selected, it will not cut it but make it faster. So as you can see now here, it is 400% faster. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.